The CSS-OD series by SolarEdge is a reliable and scalable energy storage solution designed for commercial and industrial solar projects. Proudly offered by Seven Sun, a trusted photovoltaic solutions provider, this system combines advanced engineering with flexible energy management capabilities. With a total capacity of 102.4 kilowatt hours, it meets the demands of high consumption sites while supporting scalability of up to 1 megawatt hour. The pre-assembled and factory-tested cabinet simplifies installation. Built for versatility, the system is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, with an IP54 rating and robust corrosion protection for reliable performance in diverse environments. Powered by the SolarEdge ONE platform, it supports multiple management modes for efficient and cost-effective energy utilization. Safety is a top priority. The system includes integrated fire detection, dual fire suppression mechanisms, earth fault protection, surge protection, and multi-sensor security features. With a 10-year system warranty and a performance guarantee of 6,000 cycles, the CSS-OD series ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind for users. Seven Sun is a trusted distributor specializing in high-quality photovoltaic products. With a strong commitment to customer satisfaction, we provide reliable delivery services across Europe.